best faculties who are very experienced, almost like 15 to 20.
The only institute in India where we have been offering both the social cultural anthropology and physical anthropology effectively.
If you ask me, a difference between one faculty and another faculty is not the knowledge. It's how they connect one dot with another dot.
Even the updated current affairs material, test series, even evolving and coordinating among all the teaching and non-teaching staff, so make the curriculum success and make the aspirant successful finally.